Hey guys, I'm back. Today we're doing a no makeup look since it's like super hot. Today I'm like sweating, my nose is a little sweating. If you can see, it's so hot. But anyways, let's get into it. Concealer. Blush. Highlight. I'm gonna add some small powder on my eyes. Eyeshadow. Mascara. Lip gloss. I'm gonna add some little concealer. Setting spray. Hey guys, here's the look. It's very natural, very like light makeup. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. We're kind of close to 900 subscribers. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.